Now I'm gonna clean this out in an eco-friendly way. And you're watching Creative Redundancy, the one known as CR. So I've shown this in the winter, but I got no snow because it's in the middle of the summer right now. So I'm gonna use something else. Rainwater. Marbles. I guess this would be the spin cycle. I mean, ring cycle. Scrap paper, pretty much, from some packaging that I had. So I'll reuse it. Obviously, if I was really actually reusing this, putting stuff into it, I would wash this out with clean water, soap and water. This was just to rinse it out. And all I used was gray water. Rainwater, pretty much, right here. It's been sitting outside for like the last 24 hours. And like that, it can be, well, recycled or bury it, reused and converted into something else. And like always, everyone, remember,
the world changes, we can adapt too. Skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone, but one can help someone.